Hello again guys, I have another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Arctic floral design. I named it that because the polish that I'm featuring today is Just the Way You Arctic. It's one of my winter picks this year and it's new from Essie 2018 winter collection. I'm also using First Timer. Now I wanted to create my custom green, so I mixed it with this power clutch right here to get the color that I wanted. And then I'm using this bright orange called At The Helm, and then I'm using Essie Blanc, and then Like It Loud, which is this black Essie gel couture polish. I'm using one of my small dotting tools and then two of my berry wine brushes, one that's like a thin striper and then another thin brush. And I'll have links to all the products down below. So I painted all my nails these colors, 2 coats of each, and then I've done the design on this one here, and I'm going to show you how I did it on the other nail. So I'm going to start out with my little skinny striper brush. I'm going to start in the middle just so I have an idea of where I want to place everything. I'm going to do these not exactly by each other. I'm going to do one a little higher and one a little lower, these oval flowers here in purple. And then I'm going to do a little bunch of these white flowers on the bottom. They're 5 petals, but some of them do go off, and so they'll just be 3. And then I am going to place a few random dots there too. So here I am mixing those colors. I wanted something a little bit bright, but still a little bit khaki, and these two just made the perfect shade. And it's okay if it doesn't mix up completely. Even if it's marbled a little bit, it looks kind of cool on the nail. So I'm going to paint those stems and then a little bit of leaves going out, and then I'm going to have these 2 branches kind of meeting in the center of the nail. So I'm going to start with this first one and then do leaves down each side, and then the other side I'm going to do the same thing, kind of meeting, and then do the leaves on that side as well. I'm coming in with the orange just to add a little pop of color. I'm going to do another small oval shaped flower here and then one down here, and then I am going to just add a few random dots, little small dots, just to add a little more interest in the design. And then I'm going to use that orange to do the center of those white flowers, and then just add a little bit of white dots throughout the design. Now you don't want to do too much because you want to be able to see that black underneath. Then I'm using that black to do the center of these purple flowers, and then I'll use that green to do the center of the orange flower. When you're all finished, use your favorite fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and that's the final look. Again, give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and I would love to see your design, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do. Thanks, bye!